SAT test 9, question number 19 from the calculator section, based on the scenario where Jennifer is using certain cereal and information is given about the crunchy grain cereal. 3/4 of a cup of the crunchy grain cereal provides 210 calories, 50 of which are from fat, which also represents 180 milligrams of potassium, which is 5% of the daily allowance. Question number 19 extends that information to the following situation. On Tuesday, Jennifer will mix crunchy grain cereal with super grain cereal for her breakfast. Super grain cereal provides 240 calories per cup. If the total number of calories in 1 cup of Jennifer's mixture is 270, how much super grain cereal is 1 cup of the mixture providing? Now, this is a typical systems of equations question masked in a real life situation. So we are using two types of cereals, crunchy grain and super grain. So I am going to, and we are looking for the calories for the amount of super grain cereal in a mixture that is 1 cup. So I am going to introduce my two variables, crunchy grain and crunchy grain, I'll call it C, super grain, I'll call it S. So I have information about the total calories and I have the information about the total amount, 1 cup. What I don't know is super grain cereal, I know it provides 240 calories per cup. I don't know how much calories per cup crunchy grain provides. I do have that information from the beginning. 3/4 of a cup is 210 calories. So if 3/4 of a cup provides 210 calories, I can find that I can find the amount of calories in 1 full cup. How am I going to do that? I'm simply going to divide 210 by 3/4. And this would be 210 times the reciprocal, right? Which makes it 280 calories per cup. Once that information is found, I can go ahead and build my systems of equations. I'm going to erase this here. Oops. Get rid of this here. And then I'm going to start building my system based on the information from the text. I'm going to change the color here so it's a little bit clearer. So I have 280 times the quantity of crunchy grain cereal plus 240 times the quantity Jennifer is using of super grain cereal. That will give me the total calories of the mixture, and I know that the total has to equal 270. I also know that she's using 1 cup. So when she put together the crunchy grain and the super grain cereal, the quantity equals exactly 1 cup. So here is my system. As previously we've discussed that when we have systems of equations and we need to solve them, the method of elimination is the quickest one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by 280 of the second equation, and then I'm going to subtract both equations. Why am I eliminating C? As you know, the question is about super grain cereal, so I'm looking for the value of S. That means I will never eliminate S. I will eliminate the other variable for which I am not concerned to find. In order to speed up the process, always eliminate the variable you're not looking for. So once I do that, I will have negative 40s equals negative 10. I will divide by negative 40 both sides, and S becomes 1/4 of a cup. And that would be my answer, B.